Let me explain the wiring and debugging method of this Kinect2. This is the Kinect camera. This is the power adapter. After disassembling, we will get these 5 wires. Then we need to assemble the 5 wires. A total of 5. We found this adapter. Then plug in the power cord. Then connect in turn. Then find the camera and plug it in. The hole is like this. Finally, there is a 2-hole power plug and a USB 3 connector. Be sure to plug it into the post USB 3 interface of the host. Then we look at the overall Kinect device. About 4 meters in length. If the distance between the somatosensory camera and the host is more than 4 meters, requires fiber optic extension cable with USB 3. In order to achieve his transmission rate, cannot use ordinary USB 2 and ordinary USB 3 lines. This is the overall wiring complete. The second is the installation height requirement of the somatosensory camera. It needs to be installed within a height range of 30 cm to 2 meters from the ground, neither too low nor too high. If you do not have the installation conditions, you can use the somatosensory bracket. Can stand on the ground. Find the long tube with the screw holes to screw the supports together. This is how it is assembled. Then we can stand on the ground. The somatosensory can be fixed on the support. Remember that the body sensor must be at a height of 30 cm to 2 meters from the ground. When interacting, we need to be between 1.5 and 3.5 meters away from the body sensor. After the hardware device is installed, we turn on the computer. Find the driver of the Kinect camera and install it. Successful installation. After the driver is installed successfully, we open the Device Manager. You can find this Kinect device. Then in the Start menu bar, select SDK2. Select All and click Run. Then we can see that there is no image here. And finally, you can see a stable depth map FPS 30. It means that our overall hardware and connection have been built. The final step is to open the game to experience.